My name is Sabina Ellis, and I'm the NJEA Technology Committee Chair. And welcome to our Tech Talk series. In today's video, we are featuring Wakelet that will be presented by one of our committee members, Annice Benamy, who is a music teacher in Union County. Thank you and enjoy.
Hello, my name is Annice Benamy, a member of the NJEA Technology Committee. I will be doing a demonstration on Wakelet, how it works, how to use it, and how to create your first collection. Wakelet is a free content curation platform that allows you to organize content from around the web into collections that you can keep private or make public to share with others. You can add any link from the web into your collections. This can include articles, videos, podcasts, tweets, Facebook posts, Instagram images, photos, essentially anything that has a link. Educators who are currently using Wakelet use it for bookmarking, digital storytelling, archiving, lesson plans, portfolios, newsletters, and more. If you do not have an account with Wakelet, you go to wakelet.com, and this is the beginning page. You go to the right-hand side where it says sign up. You'll be given a variety of ways that you can get started with your account. You can use any of these: Apple, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Clever, or you can sign up with an email. I suggest that you use a personal email, not your school. Since I already have an account, I am going to just log in. When you log in, you will be asked to tell about yourself. I am an educator from the United States, and I am a teacher. And I'm not going to list my school. Once you've created your account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. On the left-hand side, your picture is where you can look at your workspace settings, change your profile. You can make your profile public or private. You can change your account settings. This is where you would log out. And then other Wakelet choices if you want to learn more. The bell is for notifications when people add to, change, or edit your group collections. The menu on the left-hand side, you can search for inspiration to see what people are using. So I'm going to put in solar eclipse and see if anything comes up. So these are different collections that have come up for solar eclipse. So if I wanted to do a lesson on this topic, I could use one of these collections. I can explore a topic. So there are collections for English, ELA, math, science, social studies, digital tools, music, art, coding. Any of these collections you can use, copy, and edit. The next one is shared with you. So if anyone has shared collections with you, they would be listed here. And I have my collections categorized by spaces. I have holiday, So these are all the holidays that I teach music with. And so whenever I need to look at what I'm going to teach for a specific holiday, I can just pick this Cinco de Mayo coming up in May, and I can look it over to see if I want to add anything to it. If I do any professional development conventions, since I'm a music teacher and I do concerts, I put my playlist here, and then just random music collections. Right now, I'm teaching Earth Day. So I have my Earth Day lesson plan. I'm working on a Wakelet professional development. I'm creating a new Earth Day lesson plan. And each year in September for back to school night, I update my Meet the Teacher. So let's get started. To create a collection, I'm going to click the blue box. It's going to ask me for a title. So I'm going to call it Today. I can add a description, spring. Now, any web address you can paste into this box. You can also add text, add an image, bookmark, add a PDF, or you can do app integration. So I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to put a video to start my class. So I want to start with a welcome song. And Kaboomers is always a good one. I'm going to copy and paste the link into my Wakelet. When I do that, it shows right up. Now I want to add some text. Opening song. And just like other editors, you can bold, italics, underline, center, indent to the left, to the right, justify. All right, and it is saved. Now I want to add an image. Now I can upload my own image on my computer. I can design one with Canva, choose from Giphy or Unsplash. So I'm going to use Unsplash, and I want a spring picture. So I'm just going to type in spring and see what comes up. So this one is really nice. So I'm going to add this one. And it is included in my collection. And I'm going to add some text because I want to remember what this is. And I want my students to know what this is. Springtime. And I'm going to make it bold so I can see it. All right, so that's saved. All right, so now I have springtime. I have my opening song. I'm going to go back up to my box, and now I want to add a PDF. So this is going to take me to my documents. And I'm going to do one on Earth Day, because Earth Day is in the spring. So I'm going to add the Earth Day PDF. And I don't like it where it's at, so I'm going to move it after the song. So I have springtime, my picture, my opening song, and now my PDF. So let's say I'm done. Now I want to design this cover. I'm going to go to the right-hand side where it says design, and I'm going to choose a cover image. Again, I have the same choices. So I'm going to use Unsplash, and I'm going to put tree. And I like this picture. Now, I can use a full picture like that, or I can use a half picture. I like the half picture. Okay. And now I want a background picture to go around the cover picture. So now my choices are only to upload a picture or choose for Unsplash. So I'm going to put ocean. And this one looks good. There we go. All right. So my cover, my background is designed. I have a beginning picture with a title and an opening song and a PDF. I'm going to add a closing song. So I'm going to go back to YouTube. And I'm going to use a song that we usually use. So this is called Goodbye, My Friends. So I'm going to copy and paste again into the web address. I want some added text to remind me that this is a closing song. And that's saved. So now I'm going to move it to the end. And closing song. Now I want closing song right before the song. There we go. Now this is more of a lesson plan. So I'm going to go back up to the top and put spring lesson plan so that I know that it's a lesson plan. And you can keep adding to it and moving things around. Now, there's different layouts that you can use. Right now, I'm in media where I'm displaying the visual interactive content in my collection. I can also compact it to just titles and descriptions. I can use a grid where it's side by side, a mood, and columns. So depending on what your collection is about, will determine the layout. All right, so we're done with that. Now, if you are ready to share it, anyone with a link or code, you can give no access, they can view it, they can add to it. If you invite, they can add or edit to it. If you're ready to publish it, they will appear on your profile and are available to other Wakelet users because I have a public profile. All right, but I'm not ready to do that yet. I want to move it to this collection to my music space. So I'm going to go to the three dots on the right. I'm going to open. Now, make a copy, or I can move the collection, or I can delete the collection. I want to move the collection, and I want to move it to, actually, I'm going to move it to my home page. Okay, I'm going to move it to music. And it should come up today. There it is. So I have 2 collections now in my space. Music classroom, these are my classroom rules. So I have these posted here. Concerts, these were playlists for the students so that when they performed, everything was just here in order and it was easy to play the songs. When I do conventions and other professional development, I put my collections here. These are also music resources. And then again, these are my holidays. There are ways for students to use Wakelet as well with portfolios. Teachers can also make a portfolio. You can do research with your students and digital storytelling. So that's Wakelet. I hope that you will be able to use something from this platform in your teaching. If you have any questions or if you need help, please feel free to reach out to the NJEA Technology Committee where I can be reached. Have a great day.
Thank you for tuning in today to our Wakelet Tech Talk series. We hope you enjoyed the feature. And remember, please share with your colleagues. Thank you.